Let's look into question number 5 here. Sudhir walks 0.4 kilometers in a direction 60 degrees west of north. So west of north, you should know the directions. We have it like this: north, south, this is east, this is west, right? So west of north, meaning it's going towards or from north to west. Okay, so he's going in this direction. So it comes in this area, correct? North and west. So the angle they have given is west of north. So you take it from north. So this angle is 60 degrees and the magnitude that he walks is 0.4 kilometers. So that's your first statement. And then goes 0.5 kilometers due west. So it's due west is like there is no angle here. So west is in which direction? To the left. So he walks this way straight for how many kilometers? 0.5. So this distance or magnitude is 0.5 kilometers. So that's a sketch of his path. Now the question is, what's his displacement? The displacement is a vector quantity. You need to find magnitude and direction, right? So you are supposed to find the final displacement from the start, that is from this point to this point. That's the displacement question. So you need to find again magnitude and direction. So you can see that this is a triangle with an angle different from 90 degrees. So the hint here is to use cosine rule. So I do not know the angle inside the triangle. Outside, I know that this is 60 degrees. So if you use your mathematical skills, this triangle will have 90 here. This is 60. So that makes it 150. So outside angle here will be 30. So you get inside the triangle, you work it out. I'm just going a bit fast because this is pure math. You will find out this to be 150 degrees. Okay, so this is another triangle. This angle would be 90 here. This is 60. You work this angle, and there are more than one method of you finding out this angle. Okay, so now we've got 0.4 kilometers here, 0.5 kilometers here, and the angle is 150 degrees. So to find the resultant displacement magnitude, you use the formula cosine rule, the sides a square plus b square, which is 0.4 square, minus 2 times 0.5 times 0.4 to AB cos 150 degrees. So that's a whole square root. You need to plug it in the calculator. Okay, you can use it at one go. Open bracket, square root, open bracket, 0.5 square, and put all these in, close brackets. And sometimes some of your calculators have got after cos, it puts a bracket here, then put one more bracket. As many as you have open brackets, you need to have that many close brackets as well. So if you work this out, if you round it off, you get 0.87 meters. So we have found the magnitude of the resultant displacement, right? Now to find the angle, it's easy to use the sine rule. So since we have found this as 0.87 here, I'm writing this side is 0.87. So you can combine these two. You have to find this angle theta. So theta, sine theta upon 0.5, the side upon 0.5 upon sine theta equals 0.87 upon sine 150. Now why I have chosen these are because I know this angle and opposite side and I need to find this angle, right? So because your final answer, you could give from north what's the total angle he is directed to reach this final destination. All right. So you can do the cross multiplication against pure math skill. So it will be 0.87 times sine theta will be equal to 0.5 times sine 150. Then make sine theta the subject of the formula. Sine theta would be equal to, since it's multiplication, it becomes division here. So 0.5 times sine 150 upon 0.87. So when you compute all this, you should get 0.29. You can work it out. So you can pause it in between, do the calculations, and then check the answers. I think you get 0.29 here. Now the problem is not over. This is sine theta. But our aim is to find the angle theta alone. So theta will be equal to sine inverse. So this in your calculator, shift sine. All right. First press the button shift, then sine 0.29 should give you approximately 16.7 degrees. All right. That's the solution for question 5. Might look a bit complicated, but most of these questions can be broken down into these steps. First, you sketch the diagram. Then, if check if they have just asked only magnitude, you can stop with calculating up till here. That's it. If they ask you the vector here, displacement is a vector quantity. So you also need to find the angle or the direction. So this gives the direction here. Okay. So the direction total is from the north to west. 60 plus 16.7 will give you 76.7 degrees. He is moving away from the north and around 0.87 meters.